Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch channel. Today I have an exercise for you. It is called repeating row and column print titles. In worksheets that span 2 or more pages, you can instruct Excel to print specific rows or columns on each page to give your readers a better perspective of the data they are viewing. They will not have to go back to the first page to see column or row headings or labels, which are also referred to as print titles. Print titles help to give you your printed document a uniform look from the first to the last page. Are you ready, everyone? Open your file, please. In this lesson, I am using our previous file. It is called Messenger Row Column file. In this lesson, make sure that the sheet number 1 is active and no more view. No more view, you can click view and press normal. Click on page layout tab and then in the page setup group, here is page setup group, click the print titles button. The page setup dialog box opens to the sheet tab as shown in this figure. Type A1 to I-54 in the print area text box. A1 I-54 in print area text box. This is the range of all data on sheet number 1 to be printed. In the rows to repeat at top text box, row to repeat at top text box, type 1 to 4 as shown in this figure. This will repeat the first 4 rows of the worksheet, which includes column headings on every page. Click print preview. The print preview window appears. Click the right arrow at the bottom of the screen to add one to the second page. The first 4 rows of the worksheet appear on the second page. You can see in this figure. Click the left arrow to return to the previous page. Click the return to document button to return to the worksheet. Press save the workbook to keep your file. And thank you for today. Please subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.